Hey there, future YouTube stars. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the secret formula to get your YouTube channel monetized in just 27 days. So, if you're ready to start making money from your passion, grab your notepad, hit the like button, and let's get started. Before we dive into our 27-day plan, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the YouTube Partner Program requirements. This way, you'll know exactly what you need to achieve to get your channel monetized. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you must meet the following criteria. At least 1,000 subscribers. Building a community of loyal subscribers is crucial for monetization. This milestone shows that you have a dedicated audience interested in your content. A minimum of 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This requirement demonstrates that your content is engaging and keeps viewers watching for extended periods. Now that we've outlined the requirements, let's jump into our step-by-step guide that'll get you to these milestones and monetize your channel in just 27 days. Day 1 to Day 7. Content planning and strategy. Define your niche. Focus on a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. By doing so, you'll be able to create in-depth, valuable content that appeals to a targeted audience. This will help you stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Research top-performing content. Spend time analyzing successful videos within your niche to identify trends, styles, and presentation techniques that work well. This will give you insights into what your target audience enjoys and help you create content that resonates with them. Create a content calendar. Organize and schedule your video topics ahead of time. This will not only help you stay consistent, but also ensure that you have a clear direction for your channel. Decide on a regular upload frequency, such as once or twice a week, and stick to it. Consistency is key to gaining subscribers and keeping viewers engaged with your content. Remember, delivering high-quality content and maintaining a consistent upload schedule are essential factors in growing your audience and accumulating those all-important watch hours. Day 8 to Day 14. Video production and optimization. Invest in basic equipment. While it's not necessary to have a high-end setup, investing in a good camera, microphone, and editing software can significantly improve your video quality. This will make your content more enjoyable for viewers and help you appear more professional. Focus on storytelling. Great storytelling is at the heart of engaging content. Structure your videos with a clear beginning, middle, and end to keep viewers hooked. Present information in an organized and appealing manner, and ensure that you communicate your message effectively. Optimize your videos. To increase your video's visibility and reach a wider audience, pay attention to the little details that matter. Create attention-grabbing titles that accurately represent your content, write effective descriptions with relevant keywords, and design eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Optimization plays a crucial role in making your videos discoverable on YouTube. By focusing on these aspects, you'll be able to attract more viewers, gain subscribers, and increase watch time, getting you closer to monetization. Day 15 to Day 21. Promotion and networking. Leverage social media. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to get your videos noticed. Share your content across various social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit. By doing so, you'll increase your reach and drive more traffic to your channel. Also, make sure to engage with your audience through comments, likes, and direct messages to build a strong community around your content. Collaborate with other creators. Reach out to creators within your niche who share similar interests and values. By partnering with them, you can tap into their audience and introduce your channel to new viewers. Collaboration projects, such as guest appearances or joint videos, can be a fantastic way to expand your reach and grow your subscriber base. Join online communities. Actively participate in relevant forums, Facebook groups, and discussions related to your niche. Offer valuable insights, answer questions, and engage with the community. This will not only help establish your authority, but also attract potential viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. Building relationships, engaging with your audience, and promoting your content effectively are essential factors in boosting your channel's growth. By dedicating time to these activities, you'll be well on your way to meeting the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Day 22 to Day 27, analyze and adjust. Review your YouTube analytics. Regularly check your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. This valuable tool will provide you with insights into your audience demographics, watch time, retention rates, and more. By understanding these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and tailor your content to better suit your viewers' preferences. Respond to feedback. Engaging with your audience is crucial for growth. Pay attention to the comments on your videos as they often provide useful feedback and ideas for future content. Show appreciation for your viewers' input by responding to their comments, addressing their concerns, and incorporating their suggestions when appropriate. Adjust your strategy. As you gather data and feedback, don't be afraid to fine-tune your content, promotion, and networking efforts. Experiment with different video formats, topics, and presentation styles to discover what resonates most with your audience. Continuously refining your strategy based on your results will help you optimize your channel's growth and increase your chances of meeting the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Host. Learning from your data and being adaptable in your approach are vital for success on YouTube. Stay persistent, keep learning, and enjoy the journey to monetization. There you have it, folks. By following this comprehensive 27-day plan, you'll be well on your way to getting your YouTube channel monetized. Keep in mind that perseverance, continuous learning, and genuine enjoyment of the content creation process are the real secrets to success on this platform. We hope you found this video incredibly helpful in kickstarting your journey to YouTube monetization. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button, sharing this video with fellow aspiring YouTubers, and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content that will help you thrive in the world of YouTube. And don't forget, we'd love to hear about your progress and experiences in the comments section below. Feel free to share your challenges, victories, and any tips that have worked for you. Let's grow together as a community. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and happy YouTubing.